Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable your follow option for the public. And now on default this feature is only for your friends to have only. Now let me show you guys what I mean by the follow option. Let me go ahead and open this on my browser instead of the app. So I'm going to go ahead and search for a friend's name, which is, you can just type it. Now on this option you can notice this area that says follow option. You can notice it's not blue, which means it's not currently active. So and all I can do to follow this person back is just click on this area and then click on follow, and you can notice it's been followed. So automatically, if I'm not able to add this person as a friend, I would have still be able to be getting this follow option. For instance, let me unfriend this person and click OK. Now if you notice, I'm automatically unfollow this person. But what if this particular account is set to an option to follow on public? If it's set to follow on public, that means anybody can follow this person even though they are not friends. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today, to make it possible for you to follow somebody and then even though you are not friends with them. And before I continue with this tutorial, I'm going to make this clear. What this follow option does is it actually enables you to see the person's post and tweet whenever the person make post on them. Like for instance, on your timeline, on your Facebook timeline, when you open your facebook.com, you get to see the person's updates whenever the person makes post. But if you're not able to see this particular post, that means you are either not friends with the person or so. So now let me go ahead and show you guys how to activate this option and then come back to the same account. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. Make sure you're actually logged into the account which you want to make use of the settings for. Now the next thing you do is to click on this menu option right here and then scroll down to settings. Click on your settings option and then scroll down to where it says post, public post. Click on it. Next you see this option that says who can follow me, and you can notice it's set on public, but on default you are going to see yours like this, which is going to be set only on friends. If it's set on friends, that means you only get to see people's posts, or people will only get to follow you when you are their friends, but they won't be able to follow you when they are not your friends. So if you leave it as public, that means anybody will be able to follow you even though the person is not your friend. So that is what I'm going to show you guys how to do today. After setting it up, just to confirm that this is working, just go back and open a different browser. I'm going to open a browser this time instead of the application, and then I'm already logged into that browser. So all I need to do is to check the person's account after it's been loaded. Check the person's account to see if I'll be able to follow the person. Now let's search for the same account again. Let's search for the same account. Okay, it's already showing. Now let's try to follow this person. You can notice we are already following the person. That is because the account is actually set on the option, and we can unfollow the person. Now you can notice the unfollow option is here. Just leave it as the unfollow and then click outside. Now you can notice I just unfollow this person, but if you click unfollow, it will be able to follow this person willingly. That's when you are actually not friends with the person, you'll be able to follow them at will. So just go ahead and click on follow. You can notice the following is actually active. But what if, let me go ahead and unfollow him again and then go back to that option and make it to be only friends, because if you can notice we are no longer friends with him. If you notice on the beginning of the tutorial I unfriend this account. So let's go ahead and unfollow just to confirm if this works. I'm refreshing it. Let me sure the refresh is going to work. Okay, now for some reason it clicked. Okay, you can confirm that it's no longer following the person. So now let's go back to the Facebook application again and If you already get what I'm trying to explain, just skip the tutorial and then move on, because I think it's getting too long. So now go to the menu, back again, scroll down, click on the settings option, go to settings area, and then next thing you do is to go to that post, public post, which will reload. Now let's scroll down, public post. Okay, you just go ahead and set this to public. It's currently on public, so let's go ahead and make it friends. So now the settings have been updated. Let's back out and then go ahead and open the application, the Chromebook application again, just for us to confirm this option once more. So go ahead and search. I think my internet is a bit slow today. I wouldn't know who to blame about this. Now just you can either type the person's name if you don't know the person's name, but I think it's already here, so let me just click on it. And then the first option, that's the account that I'm going to. Now you can notice this person is actually active, and if you notice below this area, this section on the under the follow area, you can notice it's turned gray, which is inactive. If we try to click on it, nothing happens. Nothing is happening because we are not friends with the person. And as if we are friends with the person, for instance, you click on add friends, it's going to accept the friend request first before it activates. Now it's only inactive because we can't connect with this person, since it's set to only friends to follow this person. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm the friend request just for you guys to get a grip of what I'm saying. So it's only when I confirm this friend request that I'll be able to follow this particular person. Now you can see the friend request over there. All you need to do is go ahead and confirm, and then go back to the application once more and try to see. If you open it and notice, it should have been confirmed, and after being confirmed, you should notice automatically the person is already following me. Or if it's not following, you can just click on the follow and you can notice it's actually active. The reason why it is because we just made the settings now, and you can notice when it was on only friends, you won't be able to activate this option. It's only public. Once it's on public, that means anybody can easily follow you even without being your friends. So probably you guys enjoy and understand this video how I've been saying it, and I would also wish you to please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends if it actually helped you. And then leave your comment below if you get confused in any way in the period of this tutorial. So see you guys some other time, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.